Hello, dear friends. My name is Sofia Dorinskaya. I am a doctor and the head of the Center for Medical Information. Today, I would like to respond to this comment. Yes, I did receive some messages there. I really don't like mentioning other people in my videos. And today, I also won't be mentioning any names directly, but you know that there is a Dr. B on the internet. And there, it's always Dr. B said this or that. Let's figure out some words. When a person from the Western world says that he is a doctor, and when a Russian or Russian-speaking person talks about a doctor, these people are talking about two different specialists. In the Western world, the prefix doctor before a name simply means that the person has. I even wrote down college or university for myself. In terms of our usual education system, I don't understand what a college is. It's something like a technical school, but for us, it wasn't considered higher education. In the West, they have both college and university. However, college and university are different, like a technical school and an institute. So, in the Western world, a person has the right to add the title doctor to their name when they've graduated from college or university. Anyone. If he was taught how to cast steel, he will be a doctor. A metallurgical engineer, or maybe a doctor of philosophy, because they teach reasoning there. And a person, if he's a builder, a doctor of philosophy, a civil engineer, you understand. And if he graduated, if he's a linguist, he'll also be a doctor. If he's a lawyer, he'll also be a doctor. But when we speak in Russian, the word doctor always means a medical doctor. We can't have an engineer be a doctor. No one would ever call him a doctor. And listeners get confused when Dr. B says that he's a doctor. Because in the Western world, there is a separate title for medical doctors, Doctor of Medicine. That's it. No other doctors are considered physicians. So your Dr. B, he's not a medical doctor. He's just a doctor. He has some kind of education, chiro education. Chiro means hand. For some reason, all my life, when I heard chiropractor, I thought those were the people who read palms. You know, those lines. I used to wonder what education you need to read palms, but no. Then I looked it up in the dictionary, and it turned out they're some kind of hand manipulators. So, are they like massage therapists or something? But aren't they doctors? Doctor of Medicine is the only title for a physician in the Western world, and according to my diploma, I am a Doctor of Medicine in the West. But your Dr. B is not a doctor of medicine, he's just a doctor. So when you listen to his videos about vitamins, about human physiology, honestly, it's unbearable. It's unbearable. He would have been kicked out of our school in his first year for saying things like that. That's right, because he has a different background. He has a different education. It's like he graduated from some kind of metallurgical institute, and he would be telling you how vitamins work, you see? And he would be telling you how you should eat every other day. And you would eat every other day. In general, you won't be able to put together a body that eats twice a day like that. So, gentlemen, Dr. B is not a doctor. He's just a person with some higher education. He has nothing to do with being a doctor, like a physician. He has absolutely nothing to do with it. He has nothing to do with it at all. But there's confusion in the mind. There's confusion in the mind. These are different language systems. These are different definitions. These are even different educational systems. So, here I am, a doctor of medicine. But Dr. B in Russia is not a doctor at all. He is not a doctor according to our definitions. in our dictionary entries. So please, don't get confused. Don't get confused. He is not a doctor of medicine. He is not a physician. He is not a physician. He doesn't know physiology. He doesn't know biochemistry. He doesn't know how the human body works. Because he doesn't even know how vitamins work. Because he hasn't read medical literature. Because he doesn't understand it. Because obviously he doesn't understand it. You see, he doesn't understand it. That's it. Because in order to understand, to just open a medical book and read it, excuse me, you need to have an education. Because Dombrovskaya and I speak the same language. Lepsky and I speak the same language, you see? But it's not a fact that he understands what's being discussed. So sometimes he talks such nonsense. It's just awful.